सूद हराम है।
ये सूद है, हराम है। अल्लाह की लानत हो, सूद खाने वाले पर सूद हरामजारी है। अल्लाह ने इसको हराम।
Assalamu Alaikum. Come, let us unite to protect our community from the major sin of Riba, interest. Become a part of this noble mission. Join as a monthly member. Saving people from interest is not just charity, it is an act of worship and responsibility. Your small monthly contribution can save someone from the oppression of interest loans. Starting membership at rupees 50, 100 per month or any amount you wish to contribute. Earn continuous rewards. Members receive priority and ease in Qarz-e-Hasana. Register now. SDA Darul Khair NGO.in